Hello, course creators. In today's video, I will show you how to implement design thinking while you are building your course. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is design thinking and why should you care about it as a course creator? Well, buckle up because we are about to embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you approach course development. What is design thinking? Design thinking is not just a fancy term. It is a mindset, a problem solving approach that puts your audience at the center of everything. Think of it as a toolkit that empowers you to create courses that resonate, engage, and truly make an impact. Now, here is the secret sauce. At its core, design thinking is about empathy, ideation, and iteration. It encourages us to deeply understand our learners, brainstorm creative solutions, and continually refine our course based on feedback. Now, why does this matter? Well, because fellow course creators, understanding your audience is the key to creating courses that not only sell, but leave a lasting impact. Design thinking requires us to step into our learner's shoes, anticipate their needs, and deliver content that goes beyond expectations. Let me break it down for you. Imagine you are designing a course on, say, in home workouts. Design thinking points you to step into the shoes of your potential learners. What challenges are they facing? What do they need to succeed? And by empathizing with your audience, you can tailor your content to address their pain points directly. So, if you are ready to take your course creation game to the next level, stick around. How did I implement it? From idea to action. Now, design thinking is a vast word, and it is easy to get lost in all the tools it offers. So, how did I navigate this? Let me show you and reveal the specific tools I use from the wonderful design thinking toolkit. Empathy map. The first tool I grabbed was the empathy map. Why? Because design thinking is a five-step process where the first step is to empathize, which means you are going to get enough empathy to understand your customers and put yourself in their shoes. And the empathy map is the go to tool to build that empathy. Building your empathy map. So, this is the empathy map that I built for course creators who are my wing customers. So, the first question is, who are we empathizing with? So I start by writing concrete ideas about my customers, so concrete that they fit in sticky notes. For example, influencers with course creators with online following, a passion around the topic, build a course but feel buried, and so on. So a prerequisite is as well to have a way to define your win customers. And I did a video around the topic that you can watch. And as a side note, I would let the link for the template in the description. It will be the top link in the description so you can download the template for free. To answer the question, what do they need to do? I ask myself, okay, what are possible solutions that will take my win customers from where they are to where they want to be? For example, have a marketing strategy, enhance their offer, have more sales, attract more customers, more leads. Next, we are going to focus on the things that they see in the marketplace. And we are going to use a little quiz to answer that question with the help of Google. So we go to Google and you're going to Google this. If you are selling a service, you're going to use industry services for and win customer. For example, I did marketing services for course creators. Or another example, fitness services for college students. Second, if you are selling a course, you are going to write online courses for win customer. For example, online courses for housewives, online courses for working professionals, and so on. Number three, product. So you're going to write industry products for the end customer. For example, at home equipment products for athletes or pet products for cat lovers. Once I Google marketing services for course creators and found things like paid services, agencies, and videos and blogs about selling a course. Next, we're going to answer the question, what do they say? So, this is about the things that your ring customers is talking about. And we're going to use a powerful tool, and that is social media. So, my favorite social media platform to find opinions about my dream customers is Reddit. So, we go to search and I just write course creators. And then I can find all of the opinions and things that people are currently talking about course creators. For example, I can hit this and I will have 25 comments about things that course creators are doing and what is the opinion and the common question. For example, what's your profit margin? So when I did this, I found things like the market is saturated, people only buy fitness, for example, but I am in cooking, or I want to convert into my full-time career, and you're going to find all kind of opinions. And I will encourage you to use Reddit, but I have heard that Facebook groups are also amazing to find this kind of information. Our next question is about what do they do? So, what are the daily activities that a green customer does? For example, they publish free content online, they help people through DMS, they might have talks with other influencers, they look for online information, and so on. So, our next question is what do they hear? And this question is going to be easy to answer because this information goes to you instead of you going for it. I mean, after a while of researching these kind of things, you are going to get tens or even hundreds of ads in social media and so on. So, for example, I started watching ads that talk about monetization, sponsors, and buying ads for your course. And you're going to get a lot of ads about your dream customer. If you don't consider that enough, and you can also think about the common and free advice that you get while you are working toward your goal. For example, what people tell you when you want to make more money. We are getting to the end, and we will focus in the things that they think and feel, specifically in the pains, gains, and worries. So, for example, what are the fears, frustration, and anxieties? For my dream customers, it is no one will ever buy my course, word of mouth was useless, no one watched the course, not gets enough money, and the gains is about their wants, needs, hopes, and dreams. For examples, they want to get new customers, they want to have a growing source of income, they want to help more people, they want to share their wisdom, knowledge, and expertise, and so on. And the others are What our thoughts or feelings might influence their behaviors. So these are common questions. For example, has anyone tried this? Can I afford it? Will my followers like it? And it is also about things that they stand or common belief. For example, I don't want to delude myself. I don't want to lose more time, more money. I don't want to lose my identity. This is basically like objections that they have when they see a new product in this industry. The final step is to summarize what you have learned in a little story. So, for example, they are course creators with an online audience who build a course to help at a deeper level their followers, but only a few people bought it. Now they feel pressure from family and friends about investing so much time in something that doesn't produce results, and they are afraid that their family and friends are right and they will never get enough sales to focus full time in their passion. Therefore, they have started researching about strategies to boost online sales, and they have found expensive marketing agencies or so much free information online that they feel confused about where and how to start and if it is worth to start and try again. So, that's the way you keep start your design thinking journey. Remember, you have the free template in the description to fill in with your green avatar. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into how to use this information to generate business and content creation ideas that solve your customers' problems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. So, have you tried design thinking in your course and what was your experience? Until next time, happy creating, peace, and success.